Okay, so it is a rainy August afternoon. There's actually a typhoon, which is not good, but rainy days do mean productive days. Sometimes, okay, sometimes. So I started a new brand recently during this quarantine period. It's a little jewelry shop thing. So I'm going to be packing some orders, making some charms, and yeah, I honestly find these videos very calming. So if you like these videos, then you're in for a treat. Enjoy! Are glazed and dried, I'm going to super glue the eye pins into the charms to secure them, and also I will then attach the earring jewelry on top, and then yeah. Okay, so I just super glued the eye pins on. It takes like no time at all to dry. So now I'm going to add the jewelry on top, and these are going to be turned into earrings. I have two different types of hooks. I have gold and silver. I really like the way they look. Like the hooks are a bit different to normal ones. And yeah, I'm just going to attach these with these jump rings in gold as well that match the jewelry. So I've just attached the jewelry to the charms, and they look like this. They're super cute. So now I'm going to package them in their little packages and pack the order. So here's my little packing box. Like, these are my different boxes. So this one is the beads and everything that I use to make like necklaces. The final packaging, so like we've got the little jewelry bags and duct tape and everything. And this one is just a kind of miscellaneous. We got like some blank backing papers, a Dymo cutter, label maker. We've got some string, a lot of super glue. So yeah, for my backing papers, I usually draw on them. So these are just like plain cardstock, like neon cardstock papers, and I kind of draw patterns on them. Yeah, so I usually just draw on them and then I cut them out and use them as backing papers. So I'm just going to do that for this purchase. I might try something different because I just got this like kind of butchered paper craft paper today, so I might use this. I cut up some little pieces, so I might just use that for my new orders. Okay, so I just drew some stars on these pieces of paper to act as backing papers, and I used like this silver paint pen, and I just drew on top, and so now they're really cute. And then now I'm poking the holes to put the hooks through. So to do that, I use a huge eraser. This huge eraser I got in Spain, I think. I don't remember, but I've never used it, and then I realized that this would be a really great kind of stand thing to take on the holes. So I'm just going to use my needle tool that I use for clay, and I'm just gonna stab 2 holes at the top here. I kind of eyeball this, so yeah. So yeah, there's 2 holes here, so this would be where the hooks go through, and this is how that looks. So yeah, that's super cute, as you can see. And I'm just going to do more of those. Yeah, so I'm just gonna poke these holes in. So yeah. I usually use my Dymo label maker to print the at Whack Gems, so just my Instagram handle, so that they can find me. There we go. So yeah, this is just some papers that I use for rings. So I just put this in the bag, and yeah, so I do a lot of different patterns and stuff. Okay, so I just finished making the backing paper for the eggs, and I decided to use a neon one because I think it looks better with the neon backing. But for this one, since there's a lot of colors going on already, I think the craft paper backing looks better. And I really like the mix match kind of look, so I'm not really bothered that they're kind of different, and it's still consistent, like the sizing and the style is kind of the same. So I'm just going to stick one of the Whack Gem things on the back, actually, just because I don't think it looks good on the front. I think it looks really good just like plain. So I'm just going to do that. And so yeah, and now I'm going to pack them in my packaging. So here is what it looks like. Here are my organza bags, so I'm just going to take 2 over here, and that's how I package my little jewelry. So I've gotten these little bags because I think they're cute and they're reusable, so I don't waste too much plastic. And I'm just gonna put the earrings into the bag like so. So here are the eggs in the bag. And here are the faces. Yeah, super cute. Here are the bags. This one has the logo, this one has the logo on the front. Sorry for the messy background. It's got these new beads and new clay. So this is the clay that I really like. It's a little bit more expensive, so that's why I kind of pulled back on buying it. But it's this, it's high quality environmental polymer clay. I don't know what part of it is environmental, but I really like the texture and they come in really pretty colors. So I just got a plain block of, translucent white clay and also just pure white clay. And I also got 3 packs of these little letter beads that I'm gonna try out. I had a customer who wanted 4 custom bracelets. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the 4 bracelets. Also got a big jug of lemon water.